Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. You'll be directed to official homepage of WordPress. At the top navigation bar, you'll find a login link. Click on it. Now if you have created your account using Google, you can click on this button, or if you have created using Apple, GitHub, you can click on these respective buttons. You can also send a link to your email by clicking on this button and log in via application from this button here. Now you need to enter your email address or username on this field here. After typing your information, click on continue button. Now you will get the email address in your account. Open the respective email address and you will see a login now button there. Click on it. After clicking on that button, you will be directed to another tab. So that is how you can log in to your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.